The best StashAway investment strategy begins with understanding how the platform works and aligning it with your own financial goals. StashAway uses an economic regime-based investment framework that automatically adjusts your portfolio as market conditions shift. To get the most out of it, the first step is setting a clear objective. Decide whether your focus is long-term wealth building, medium-term growth, or capital preservation. Once this is defined, StashAway's risk index helps you choose a portfolio that fits your comfort level. The most effective approach is maintaining a consistent long-term mindset. StashAway performs best when you allow its automated rebalancing to work without frequent manual interference. The platform reallocates assets when economic indicators move, ensuring your portfolio stays aligned with global conditions. This approach reduces emotional decision-making and helps protect your investments during market turbulence. Dollar-cost averaging is another powerful strategy on StashAway. By contributing a fixed amount regularly, you smooth out price fluctuations and steadily build your position. This method helps you avoid the pressure of timing the market and ensures continuous growth. Even small, consistent deposits compound significantly over time. Keeping your risk index stable is also essential. Increasing or lowering your risk level too often disrupts the system's ability to optimize returns through its algorithm. Choose a risk level you can maintain comfortably during both strong and weak markets. This stability allows StashAway to manage your portfolio effectively through full economic cycles. Finally, monitor your goals instead of the daily market. Review your portfolio periodically to confirm that your risk level still matches your financial stage. Trust the system, stay consistent, keep investing, and let the long-term approach compound. This is the core of the best StashAway investment strategy: clarity, consistency, discipline, and reliance on a proven automated framework that adjusts intelligently on your behalf.